Good morning, everyone. We will continue our discussion on Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Act. In this video, we will talk about the key facts related to this scheme. The Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India, is monitoring the entire implementation of this scheme in association with state government. जो रूरल डेवलपमेंट की मिनिस्ट्री है वो सारा मॉनिटर करती है कि ये इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे हो रहा है इन एसोसिएशन विथ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Individual beneficiary oriented works can be taken up on the cards of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, small or marginal farmers, or beneficiary of land reforms or beneficiary under the Indira Awas Yojana of Government of India. Within 15 days of submitting the application or from the day work is demanded, wage employment will be provided to the applicant. Right to get unemployment allowances in case of employment is not provided within 15 days of submitting the application or from the date when the work is sorted. इसमें हमें अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउंसेस भी मिलते हैं. ये कब से मिलते हैं? अगर 15 दिन के बीच, जब से अप्लाई किया है उसके 15 दिन के बीच में हमें कोई भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं मिलता है तो उसके बाद हमें अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउंसेस मिलेंगे. सोशल ऑडिट ऑफ मनरेगा वर्क इज़ मैंडेटरी विच लीड्स टू अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड ट्रांसपेरेंसी. Gram Sabha is the principal forum for wage seekers to raise their voice and make demands. It is the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat which approves the shelf of work under Manrega and fix their priority. Now we'll see the role of Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha determines the order of priority of work in the meeting of Gram Sabha, keeping in view the potential of local area, its need and local resources. Monitor the execution of work within Gram Panchayat. Roles of Gram Panchayat: receiving application for registration, verifying registration application, registering household, issue job card, receiving application for work, issuing dates received for these application for work, allotting work within 15 days of submitting the application or from the date when the work is sorted in the case of advance application, identification and planning of work, developing shelf of project including determination of order of their priority. बेसिकली ग्राम पंचायत का जो रोल है वो ये है कि जो भी एप्लीकेशन है उसको रिसीव करना, फिर उसको वेरीफाई करना, जो भी हाउस होल्ड है उसको रजिस्टर करना, फिर उसके बेसिस पे इनको जॉब कार्ड प्रोवाइड करना, रिसीविंग एप्लीकेशन फॉर वर्क, जो भी वर्क के लिए एप्लीकेशन है उसको रिसीव करना, इशूइंग डेट्स रिसीव्स फॉर दिस एप्लीकेशन फॉर वर्क, और जो भी काम है उसको 15 डेज़ में अलॉट करना. जब जैसे भी एप्लीकेशन सबमिट होती है उसके विदिन 15 डेज़ काम अलॉट कर देना. ये सब कम्स अंडर द रोल ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इन मनरेगा. तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? तो फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है फ्रेम रूल्स ऑन मैटर pertaining to state responsibility under the section 32 of act, develop and notify the rural employment guarantee scheme for the state, set up the state employment guarantee council. Third is set up a state level Manrega implementation agency mission with adequate number of high caliber professional. Set up a state level Manrega social audit agency directorate with the adequate number of people with knowledge on Manrega processes and demonstrated commitment to social audit. Establish and operate a state employment guarantee fund. Now let's talk about reforms. In the true spirit of Manrega, it is seen as an opportunity to enhance the livelihood security of rural household. ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि जो मनरेगा की जो ट्रू स्पिरिट है उसके अंदर जो मेन जो ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है जिससे जो भी रूरल हाउस होल्ड है उनकी जो लाइवलीहुड है उनको सिक्योरिटी मिल सके, लाइवलीहुड की एक बेसिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिल सके, बेसिक वेज मिल सके. There was a trust on durable assets like farm ponds, dug wells that increase incomes. Animal shade for marginal and small farmer were taken up along with 1995 days wage labor support to landless manual casual laborers who were provided housing under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. Water conservation was given a focus by notifying Mission Water Conservation Guidelines for Manrega in 2016 and following up with adequate capacity building. Use of tag, geotagging plus DBT transfer of wages. ये हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में देखा था कि जो वेजेस है वो डायरेक्टली बैंक में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती है. Changes were brought in program by making 60:40 wages to material ratio applicable at district level instead of at gram panchayat level. It ensured evidence-based selection of work. 60% works were marked for agriculture and aligned sector, and state were encouraged to come up with state-specific water conservation and afforestation efforts. By making 60:40 work at district level, it was possible to take up priority public infrastructure like Anganwadi building under Manrega. The labor budget of state was drawn on the basis of manual casual laborers and deprivation counts. To ensure the states were more manual casual labor and deprivation got more of Manrega resources. The social, economic and caste census finalized in July 2015 provided an opportunity to ensure that Manrega fund went to the poorest region of country, linking 95 days of work with rural household program, which also used social, economic and caste census based deprivation. It was possible to substantially raise labor budget in poorer region. Seeing climate change impacts showing up in 1/5 of district every year in form of low or late rains, a provision was made to notify 150 days of work in such region that had natural calamity or drought. So that's all for today. We will talk more about Manrega in upcoming video. Thank you.